Why is Imuafia so important to our people?
To be honest with you, I have never seen the people who are as unique as we are. Put me in.
I found that the motorcycle is expensive for nothing. So I went back to overseas to bring the motorcycle components on pieces and assemble them local.
People are roaming the streets without skills. And because they denigrate the system of apprenticeship, they don't want to go and learn.
In general, it has lifted so many families out of poverty.
So it's a pyramid system that continues to generate quality human beings.
We lost the war. We brushed up those things that our forefathers handed over to us. It's not fair.